Hello to today's video insight. Today's insight is about how you can know that you are not yourself. Yourself meaning your body and your mind. So you are not your body and you are not your mind. How can you know that to be true and how can you check it for yourself? So yesterday we talked about we want to keep the meanings of our words constant, and we have to do it in order to think straight and then to come to the correct conclusion. Therefore, let's look at the meaning of the word change and difference. If something changes, it is not the same thing anymore. It's eliminated and replaced by something new. This is it's different. It's not the same anymore. So it goes away and is replaced by something different, something new. That's the meaning of change. You the conscious being, you do not change. You are always the same. If you changed, you would be taken out and replaced by some new being. That never happened since you can remember. So you can check it. In your consciousness screen, you are always the same being. You are the being that experiences your consciousness screen. Your body and your mind, they change. Your body when you were 1 year old does not exist anymore. Your mind as well. Your mind, your ideas can change. Your mind is plastic, it can adapt. So if you look at your brain, neurons can get destroyed and new ones can get built. So it constantly changes. Your body also constantly changes. So if you do not change and your body and your mind change, you cannot be your body and your mind. You are different from them. So this is how you can know it if you really think it through. Sometimes people get a little bit confused and say, things can change and be the same. What if I change the color of my car, for example? Then my car is different, but it changed, obviously. So that's what I mean with we need to keep the meanings of our words constant, and we really need to pay attention what a word means. If we say that we changed the car, then it's not the same car. If you change the color of the car, you change the color of the car. So it's a different color. The old color is gone and then it's replaced by the new color. But the car is the same. If you say you change your car, then you have a completely new car. You would say, okay, I had a BMW and now I have a Mercedes. Can you see that? What you need to pay attention what your words are referring to. So if it changes, it cannot be the same. If it's the same, it hasn't changed. Really look into that and look into that regarding your mind and your body and then who you are and that you do not change. You don't get constantly replaced by a new being. Another, just an indication, if you were your body, you would have total control over everything. You would do cell division, you would have control of ion channels and stuff, and you would be aware of all the cells in your body. You clearly not. So everything is done for you. You have some influence over your body. It's not the case that you do not have any influence, but you don't control your whole body. If you were your body, you would need to do everything. Your body does. So you are not your body. You have a body, and you are a conscious being, and your body is attached in this lifetime to you, but you are not it. And that's very important. Also, it's very important to not identify with your thoughts in order for you to be able to change them and to reprogram your mind. There is some inhibition or some it can feel like your mind does not want to be changed, but it's a little bit an illusion and you can reprogram it. So, but you need to be able to step outside, so to speak, outside of the system in order to make some changes. And that's why it's crucial to at sometimes not be identified with your mind and your thoughts. So that was the insight of today. You can know that you are not your body and your mind because you do not change and your body and your mind, they change. Keep the meanings of your words constant. Think about what the meaning of change means, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.